What you see here is ComfyUI. It's a tool to generate AI images, and you can use any open source model and run it on your own computer or a cloud server. I'll show you how to set this up as quickly as possible so that you can use it in your browser to generate images yourself. If I head to Thunder Compute, you can see I have a couple of cloud instances already, and these are data center GPUs that can run the biggest models that you can't run on your own laptop. So if I click Create, I can choose a GPU based off of the model that I need. So you'll see these have 16 gigabytes of VRAM, 40 gigabytes, 80. This is much more than you'll have in your laptop. So if you want to run a larger model, this is what you'll need. So I can choose the largest one here, which is an NVIDIA A100 with 80 gigabytes of VRAM. And then I can choose 16 CPU cores, which should be more than enough to run whatever I need. And the ComfyUI template here will let you get into that interface that I just showed you. So let's click Create. Now that this is up and running, you can see some details here. So it has an ID, you can see it's running, this is the GPU that I selected, and you have the ComfyUI template which you can use. And this Actions tab is where the magic happens. I can click this and I can log into that through my browser and type whatever I need into that server, or I can just directly start ComfyUI, which will let you open up the tool in a new tab. Let's click that, and this will take a minute to download the model, start the server, run everything that you would otherwise have to do manually, but we do it all behind the scenes so that you just get a link and can go to that and start using the tool. So I'll cut back when all of this is ready. Click this link. It will open a new tab. What I can do is create a whole workflow to generate AI images and tune the parameters, choose whichever model I want. It's really just a workspace where you can experiment and run things without code. So we have a model preloaded in here, and I could show you what this looks like with just this default prompt if I click play. So here begins this first step, and it's loading the model, and at the end you'll see an image. So here we are going through. Now it's actually generating the model, or generating the image, and here you go. This is the purple bottle with Galaxy print in it. But you can try this yourself, and because you're using data center GPUs, you can run much larger models than you could if you tried to set all this up yourself. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.